Hey folks, for this week's Finance Mantra, I have a quiz for entrepreneurs. So before I tell you what the quiz is, let me give you a little background to it. I was coaching an entrepreneur online, and you know what he told me? He said, these are challenging times and I don't mind if my business doesn't make a profit, but at least shouldn't be making a loss. So I asked him, what is your break-even point? And he didn't know what it was and how to compute it. So what is a break-even point? It's a point of no profit or no loss. And so basically it means all your total costs are equal to your total revenue. So the quiz for today for entrepreneurs is, let's say the selling price per unit is 10 rupees, the variable cost per unit is 6 rupees, and your monthly fixed costs amount to 300 rupees. So what is the quantity of the sale that you must be doing so that your business does not incur a profit or a loss, or what is the break-even sale point is what I'd like you to tell you in the comments below, and along with it say how you arrived at it as well. And whilst you're doing it, let me share with you 4 ways by which you can your business can easily get to the break-even point, or even cross beyond that, because once you cross the break-even point, it's the profit zone, right? So the point here is for you to kindle your thoughts and see what are the ways and means possible for your business. So the first thing that you could do is check your variable costs. Is there any way by which you could reduce your variable cost? Your variable costs are like your raw material costs, your direct salaries, your packaging costs, so anything basically related with your direct selling. So 2, you could probably look at ways and means by which your fixed costs can be brought down. Fixed costs includes like rent, utilities, insurance, and so on. 3 is to see, is there any way possibilities for you to increase the quantity, because once you start increasing the quantity of sale, then your sales is going to increase. And last but not the least, is there any chance by which you can increase the selling price per unit, because that will also result in your increased revenue. So try out any of these, or if anything else that's possible for your business, so that the point is your business, despite the challenging and testing times, can tide over and see what best can be done for your business. And apart from that, if there's anything else specific you would like me to talk about, do let me know that as well in the comments below. I look forward to reading both your answers as well as suggestions for further topics. And yes, like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Sang Shah Soom. In fact, all my social media is called Sang Shah Soom, an abbreviation of my name. And I shall catch you yet again in yet another finance mantra. Until then, signing off here is Sangeeta. See you. Bye.